I straight we'll go to the markets. So what happened to the calls which have been given? So probably this may get stop loss sell may get triggered. So stop loss silver. The safe calls of the sell ones have not triggered. So you can cancel that one. So this is got triggered 52127. So as of now, it's in the the price is 5210. So if you book now, so it will be in the profit somewhere around 250. So it's up to you. So if you want, you can book your profits now. So or else you can with 100 rupees maybe the cost price. So 5211 5211 or 5215 115 you can keep it. So the trend looks it may go down, but anything can happen. So please protect your profit. So you are sitting in the profit. So try to protect your profit. So I am trying to capture the market much lower. So it is up to you. So now if you want, you can take this 250, or else you can wait for some more time. So this is about the thing. And now it's around 10 o'clock. So probably you can cancel all the other things have not triggered. Probably the stop loss sell with reference to the silver, this may get triggered at some point. But if you're doing intraday and the delivery kind of a thing mixed, so it becomes complicated. So the market is now only 1 hour left, so you can cancel this also. And high risk professional traders can try this one also. So this one is already in profit, you can book. So this one not triggered, so this one is triggered, sorry. And this one nothing has happened, and probably you can keep the buy and then you can cancel this one, or probably you can cancel both. So this is with respect to the commodity. So 3 minutes into the market, so right, we will go to base market with respect to the stock market. So what happens is, this is what happened. Market went up in the last 1 hour. So what can we try to buy or sell tomorrow is, so, or the stocks we can focus is this site, you can make a note on. So this will be very useful. Another 5 minutes I will just focus on this point, and then we can close this session. Then there'll be probably maybe another one tonight with respect to the news analysis. Maybe that one we can do it now for 2 to 3 minutes. And about crypto tax, I will be putting one more video today or tomorrow. So we are not recommending crypto thing, but the taxation part, just for the knowledge sharing purpose we are doing, because in any way we are not supporting. In fact, for the last 5 years, you can check our Twitter and Facebook, we are trying to create the awareness like about the crypto. A very bad option with respect to mainly the investment. So please be very careful. So again, kind of a philosophical teaching and advice. So now the market is still alive for another 1.5 hour. So along with it, we'll just quickly review the what stocks we can focus base. This is based not on the news, but whatever the numbers which are thrown up today. So with that one, we can have a look here, and then we can be prepared for tomorrow. So in the large cap, this AIA engineering, so this guy I shoot up 7% today. So at any given point of time, you can focus on this guy. It's a, what I'm saying is the debt-free company. So on investment or trading or like these kind of stocks, you choose it. So at any given point of time, you can travel with these stocks. So that's what my kind of advice which I can give you. in one side and one side of support which I am trying to give. So which means the opposite side, what purely trading, think of it and never try to trade and invest or invest and trade, mix all the things together. If that is the example, so I'll give you the opposite of that. So probably don't trade also in that one, never invest in that one. But if you want, it's up to you because it's going to be your money. But purely trading, if at all you want, you can try. So for example, something like Adani Enterprises, which is high debt company. Okay, so that kind of a company, you have to be, if you want to go for investment, then it's high debt, you are taking a high risk. If you're going for trading, of course there is a lot of volatility, you can make money, but you should be agile enough to get in and get out on a day-to-day basis, or else if you caught inside, or else if you're taking an intra-week strategy, again in the intra-week strategy you have to agile enough to get in and get out. For example, if you're not agile enough, you get in with a weekly strategy, you got stuck, maybe you can get stuck itself for another like 10 weeks together, which is nothing but 10 weeks together is nothing but 2.5 months. Okay, so in that time, if at all you will be returning to profit. So whatever I'm telling, just try to visualize in a graph form or and a number form. For example, 100 as a value we will take, though it is 2371. So you got into this one and then you got into a loss of 10%, which is 99. So around 1.5 months, around 90 you are averaging. Never average in trading mode, but still in a debt-free company, if you have enough cash, if you have a cash flow as well, then you can consider averaging, considering one portion as an investment, one portion of as a trading, something like that. And if luck favors you, along with all these logic things put together, so when it shoots up, it will be shooting up again to 100 and 110, 115. Okay, this may happen. So if nothing happens, you got it stuck at 90, you average it, it came to 85, you just wait. So you can take holding and then write it in your book as investment for debt-free companies. Okay, so in that category, this guy comes. Even one more guy I saw here, ABB. It's a electrical related thing. Lot of switches and switch gear, etc. So it's a completely debt-free company. You can think about this one. Okay, and then so Bayer Crop Science is also agriculture company. It's a debt-free company. So you can have these kind of things applied for trading mixed with investment. So this is all very large cap, greater than 20,000 market cap. So from this, we'll just move on to small cap. We will give a miss towards the mid cap today. So maybe tomorrow we'll catch it up. So since I want to make a short video, people don't watch even the live stream, which is long. Okay, so in the small cap, I'll be speaking in Tamil. So maybe I will type it out a few words in English so that it get it translated. Okay, so the small cap, small பத்தி பேசுறேன். ஸ்மால் கேப் வந்து இங்கே போட்டிருப்பாங்க 1000 crore கம்மி இருக்க கம்பெனி. ஸோ இதில் இதே மாதிரி இதில் ஏதாவது இது ஸ்மால் கேப்பில் வந்து இன்ட்ராடே பண்ணுறது கஷ்டம் சரிங்களா. ஸோ ஸ்மால் கேப்பில் இன்ட்ராடே வந்து பண்ண வந்து 30% ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க சரிங்களா. ஸோ ஏன்னா ஸ்மால் கேப்பில் வந்து மாட்டிக்கிறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி ட்ரேடிங்கில், இன்ட்ராடே ட்ரேடிங்கில். What I was telling is in small cap to do intraday trading is very difficult. You can do swing trading. Okay, so what is swing trading? What is intraday trading? You can touch base with us, or else there are a lot of videos, YouTube videos. Please go and catch hold of it. Okay, so இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த சேம் ஒரு டோன் இன்னைக்கு நான் போட்டுறேன். நான் இங்கிலீஷில் வந்து இன்ட்ராடே ட்ரேடிங் அண்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் மிக்ஸ் டுகெதர், ரெண்டையும் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணாதீங்கன்னு சொன்னேன். அதே நேரத்தில் மாற்றி மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டாக் எடுத்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதான் என்டர்பிரைஸ் ஹைட்ரேட் அதை எடுத்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்காதீங்கன்னு சொன்னேன். ஸோ அதே லாஜிக் இங்கே எடுத்து அப்ளை பண்ணோன்னா இந்த டிடி சிஸ்டம், பவர் சிஸ்டம் வந்து kind of power sector play. So it's a good company. It's a decent company in terms of financials, in terms of financial status with respect to less loan on its books. It's a good one. So you can play this one. So on the same logic la. So ஸோ இதுலேயும் அதே மாதிரி வந்து ப்ளே பண்ண வேணாம் அப்படின்னாக்கா ஜிடிஎல் இன்ஃப்ரா இப்போ வந்து ₹1 இது வந்து பென்னி ஸ்டாக் இது. ஸோ இங்கே 4% மேலே இருக்குது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் கேப்சர் பண்ணவே முடியாது. 10 நாள் கீழே வச்சிருப்பானுங்க, திருப்பி 5 நாள் மேலே வச்சிருப்பானுங்க, திருப்பி 20 நாள் கீழே வச்சிருப்பாங்க, திருப்பி 10 நாள் மேலே வச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக அந்த இதில் உட்கார முடியாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உங்கள் ப்ரோக்கரேஜ் கூட வந்து இது உள்ள வச்சு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் எடுக்க முடியாது. ஸோ இட்ஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்சைட் அகைன். So what I was telling you, this is a penny stock, so it will be very difficult for you to do an intraday, and sometimes not sometimes nowadays brokers are not allowing to do intraday in penny stock. They are put it in a mode such that only buy, delivery based buy and then sell is happening. So adiketha mari in the so on top of this, to take advantage of this, even the operators are cleverly like able to manipulate these kind of penny stocks. So don't get into the trap. Okay. So இதுலயே kind of nice beautiful stocks இருக்கு. நான் முதல்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி அது இதுல வேற என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ராலிஸ் இந்தியா இட்ஸ் டாடா குரூப் கம்பெனி, எக்ஸலண்ட் கம்பெனி. ஸோ இதுலலாம் நல்ல ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிக்கு நல்ல வால்யூமும் இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ டிடி சிஸ்டம் சொன்னது வால்யூம் இருக்காது, பட் இட்ஸ் அ குட் கம்பெனி. ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஏபிள் skilled enough to get in get out, that's okay. ஸோ இதில் வந்து ராலிஸ் இந்தியா it's a high volume trading stock, so there is a lot of opportunity for you to get in and get out. So these are all some of the things. Bajaj Consumer, it's a debt free company, so excellent company in FMCG sector. They have only few products, but they may come up with more, but certain things are very hit, and then it's a debt free and cash flow rich company. So consider something like the badam oil and the product வந்து kind of a big hit on the company. So they don't have many products, but on the ஒரு product இல்ல மற்ற சில ப்ராடக்ட்லாம் வந்து it's significantly cash flow it is generating, and then it's a debt free. So இந்த மாதிரி and low volume இது இல்ல ராலிஸ் இந்தியா மாதிரி high volume, but still you can get in and get out if you're able to watch the pattern of the chart. So இந்த மாதிரி வந்து கரெக்டா வந்து அந்த ட்ரெண்ட் பார்த்து உள்ள போயிட்டு வெளில வர முடியும்னா you can make it up. So just focus on these things. So mainly the things like இப்போ நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அப் ட்ரெண்ட்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ இது வந்து அரௌண்ட் 500 வந்து ஒரு ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்கு, பட் அங்கே போயிட்டு திருப்பி அரௌண்ட் 460 to 440 நல்ல சப்போர்ட் இருக்கு. ஸோ இங்கே திருப்பி இங்கே வந்ததுன்னா யூ ஜஸ்ட் கேட்ச் திஸ் ஒன் அகெயின், யூ கேன் மேக் another 10%. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி மார்க்கெட் டவுன் சுச்சுவேஷனில் கூட ஸோ இந்த சர்டன் ஸ்மால் கேப்ஸ் ஆர் இந்த மாதிரி அப் ட்ரெண்ட்ல இருக்கும். ஸோ இஃப் யூ கேட்ச் இட் த பாட்டம் அண்ட் எக்ஸிட் அட் த டாப் with 1 week or 2 week time frame, you can play with the small caps, and then you can play with the large caps intraday as well as intra week. So இப்போ நான் சொன்னது வந்து you kind of juice it up and focus on these stocks at least for the next 1 or 2 days, because today it has shown significantly on given an up move. ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ இது நெக்ஸ்ட் 1 or 2 days கீழே வந்தாலும் you watch it out, அந்த சப்போர்ட் எங்க இருக்குன்றத பார்த்துட்டு at the appropriate support level you take it up. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Now as we speak, like 5 to 1 it is, so please make a note of it. And then even now you may be having இது யாராவது எடுத்திருந்தீங்கன்னா In the call you will be sitting with something like a decent profit 40-50. You just cover it up or else exit yourself. So next 45 minutes around 10:50 it will become volatile. Anything can happen. So market is there for hundreds of years, so you can come and capture whatever the opportunity it is providing tomorrow. So don't take any unnecessary risk, because if you do something in the morning, you've got next 4 hours into 4 hours, like something like 10 hours or 12 hours. So now you have another only 1 hour. So it's very difficult for you, even if you are very skilled. So the time is not on your side. So it's better thing to exit and then move on, and then capture some of the stocks which are available for tomorrow morning. And then of course you can play with the commodity market morning, or better it will be like in the session which is after 6 o'clock. So thank you very much.